I just got the rabbits cooped up and registered for, or not registered, they were already registered, but in their coops for the Lop Nationals here in Ohio. And I probably walked close to 2 miles after going all the way around several buildings. It's at our state fairgrounds, and there's an insane amount of construction hauling the load at the same time. But anyways, I was so happy I did not take more than 2 French loaves. But anyways, they're in. I'm kind of happy with how they're turning out. I mean, obviously I do not expect anything awesome. My goal with this is ultimately just to not be the first off the table. So that is something with these bigger shows that, like, maybe if I took it, I don't know, like, I kind of am still trying to figure out where I want to sit in the competitive show world of it. But without having my son and husband who, you know, just don't want to do it too, which is totally fine, I don't expect them to, it's really hard. Like, a lot of these people who are here, they either, one, don't have family members to, you know, that they're trying to, you know, keep relationships with, so they're showing every weekend, or they're doing it as a family. And so, like, you kind of have to find that fine balance of, like, what's too much, what, you know, what do I feel comfortable doing, but then also keeping your expectations in check. And so, all that said, I'm really happy with the 2 that I brought. I really think the doe will do really well. She's on the bigger side, which is great, and then she's got some width. And then the buck, he's unfortunately, he's gonna have to compete with the seniors, even though he's only 10 months old, but he is 12.5 pounds. So, like, he's got some size to him, but he's still, like, to me, it's evident that he's just got some more maturing to do, because the French Laps can grow until they're 12 to 14 months. And that final finishing out build happens towards those last few months, and his head is good, it's good size, but mostly that is, like, it doesn't quite fit the size of his body yet. And so that's where I'm kind of like, as long as we're not first off the table this week, I will be happy. All right, the show is done, and the doe that I brought got second for solid senior does, and the president of the Lot Club of America wants a baby from her. So needless to say, I'm a little excited. Like, my goal is just to not get off the table first when it comes to these things. Like, people fly in from literally out of the country to come and show these things. So all that to say, we've got another litter coming from Dahlia. She is bred to one of his bucks, so she's bred to a solid cream buck. And if that works, this litter's going to be held for a while. So we're not going to let babies go from this one for probably till the fall, or even at least midsummer. But anyways, so we bred him. If it doesn't work, then he still liked a buck that I brought. So we'll do that pairing, see how they turn out. So Dahlia is pregnant, and we will have babies from her and be watching them closely throughout the summer. So here's to exciting, unexpected news.